Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this is a video tutorial for Woods of Glenmary on how to update the back end of the website for the newsletter, meeting minutes, and events. So once you've logged in, which is the same login, the new website's the same login as the old website, so you should be good to go there. So once you log in, it probably looks relatively familiar with all your options on the left-hand side. The difference with this new website is you're now using a new theme. It's called Avada. So honestly, you won't really mess with any of this. You'll be basically doing like you did before, except the back end of each page is going to look a little different. So let's hop on down to pages, click all pages. So let's start here with something simple. Let's just go to meeting minutes, hover over it like you did before, hit edit. So as you can see, it looks a little different now because it's on the Fusion Builder system, which is part of the Avada theme. It's like a building block system, unlike you had before, just a straight editor. So as you can see, I've built a container here, and in the container contains the meeting minutes and the meeting minutes toggle. Let me go over here real quick and open up a second tab so you can kind of see the website. So here's the website, and if you go to meeting minutes, you'll see meeting minutes 2019, 18, 17, all the way down. I've put this in a toggle because there were so many meeting minutes. I thought it would just look better. So what I mean by toggle is when you click on it, it toggles all the 2019 meeting minutes, 2018, 17, and so forth. So anyway, on the back end, if you go back this way, you can see that same situation. So meeting minutes and the toggles. So all you have to do to add some meeting minutes is click on here, hover over the block, hit the little editing pen, which opens up a pop-up, and this is the toggles element. You'll see here meeting minutes 2019, 18, 17. It all coincides with the toggles. Click on 2019 meeting minutes. Scroll down, and this area will look relatively familiar. This is the area that you kind of probably saw before. So all you have to do is add in, hit edit or enter, sorry, type in here December 2019 meeting minutes. Or actually, probably should go at the bottom, but just for purposes of this video, it doesn't matter. Then all you do is highlight it, click the chain link, and add in the URL of where the newsletter is in your media library. Same situation as before. So you could put whatever it was. You could type it or cut and paste it. Just for purposes of this video, I'll put in my website. Type it in, cut and paste it, hit apply, and there's your hot link. And then all you do is hit save, save. Make sure you save twice, and then hit update. And then let's go ahead, I like having two tabs. Let's refresh this so you can see it. Again, make sure refreshed, oh sorry. And then hit the toggle, and there's the December one I just put in. I'm gonna go back real quick and delete that so you don't get confused. Edit, delete, and delete. And move January up so it looks right. Hit save because you're saving the toggle, then you're saving again, and then hit update. That's how you do the meeting minutes. It's the same essential thing for the newsletter. Let's go over and just look at that real quick so you can see. Same thing, I've got the toggles. So for page, let me run through this really quick. Go to all pages, news. You're in the builder again, hit toggles, edit newsletters 2019, add your link, highlight it, hit the chain link, insert your URL, hit apply, and then you'd hit save. I'm not going to do that because I just showed you how to do it. I'm just going to delete that. Hit save, save, and update. So that's how you do the newsletters. That's how you do the meeting minutes. Let's see, what else you'll be working on? Events. Okay, so the calendar, you'll see here, and I've already entered all the monthly BOD meetings, board director meetings for 2020, which feed the homepage. Let's go to the homepage. They'll always pop up here. Any event you enter into the system, there'll be 8 here. So as these expire, they'll drop off, and then there will always be 8 boxes. So let me show you how to add an event because it's a little different than the previous event calendar. Let's go over here to the dashboard. It's actually pretty simple. Just go over here to events, hit add new. I'm going to call this test event. And I'm actually going to set it for a date that's really soon so you can see. Hopefully it'll pop up in the calendar. Let's put it for the 18th. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's fine. And then you're going to put the event. You can add some of this. I didn't. You could put, Clubhouse, wherever the event is. You can even put address it. You can do all that. It wasn't necessary when I was doing the BOD meetings. There's an event cost. You could do that. I don't see any of that being necessary for Woods of Glenmary, but in case you do, it's all there. And you can even put a description. This is a test event for the calendar. Hit publish. Now, once it's published, you can view the event. There it is. Now let's go to the home page. See, it automatically, because it was before any of these other the BOD meetings, it went ahead and pushed it to number 1. So you see that here. If you actually click on it, you'll be taken back to that event page. Or if someone just clicks on calendar, they'll see the whole calendar for the month of December, and there it is. They could click on it again, and it takes them to the specific event page. So it's really as simple as that. I'm going to go back in here and delete it. So I go to events, click on events, scroll down to my test event, just hover over it and hit trash. But it's that easy to add an event. If you have any questions, I think that covers everything. So if you have any questions about updating the website, feel free to call me. And I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.